Mbiamano na ndo mancho muligerere bwegeta seni kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo Gusii ekerongoege na nogendrete kwego kya kubwatia mirobirionsi egeta seni kya Ndizi TV na mbiamano asogochora kubwatia Ndizi TV charagire Chinsa to chabona mogoroba chinga kindaito kwarigania iriongo manyeuna nara yana kwariganirie asenchera ere yo wekiranu kokonyore una nabako gendera gotonyora sensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asesemo ya YouTube tonyora wetera Ndizi TV News na bogo tuitwetera at Ndizi TV News foigo ase website yeto nigora tubwati wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendre gusanga mangi gukwarigania Amayia Chinsa Isato korenderi tanganike yima tigana kumanyega tiari nkwariganiretie asenchirere yo bwenye.
I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office.
Magega yogo chorwa na kuunenkiwa kwa bawaziri ase kaunti ya Kisii nigo batianiwa bene gochako bokoreria saba na inchi.
The people want peace. People are tired of war. Many thousands have died.
Oyo kabeiro murai wense Uhuru Kenyatta kugania babwatani korwa sense ya DRC korari omorembe.
Amani National Congress is there to stay. It will never fall.
Ababwatani korwa seki ya Amani National Congress koene kiange tigarite kobege tingu chinga kitimamia iriro burai we kiamekyo. Mancho muligereria yo munayenda mange sangana nchi wikomwerere triane Evelyn Osero urito kubatanere ko eneki awikera sensemo yimanyiriro niga kurukwa Joshua Auta okwariga nto chake asenchira yo bwikiranu awase abanyanyimbo bacha kirobotuki kobwatkana nogo kwa komongino yo mobwe myakemenene aserieta Agnes Kerubo oyogotebekana kobetu omoyo na mumuro mwabo kobwatkana nerio manaria nyomba asechiro ya Getare eyogotoke wodi ya Kemera ebunge ya Tutumasaba imeye kaunti ya Nyamira abanyanyimbo korwa segeta seni kia manga sengera nigoba ikirana sayo na korusemo beronya gosira asibanyo irana koyoga cha sengendu ya Kisii teaching and referral muri keito Frida Kerubo no robot urwa so bwikiranu.
Abanyanyimbo nigo bachakire obutuki kobwatikana no gukwa kwa Agnes Kerubo omungina w'emyaka emenene yogotebekana obetua omoyo no mumuro mwabo magega yogotwara eliomanalia nyumba asechiro ya Getare imewadi ya Kemera county ya Nyamira omubere onyagosira nigo rusigwa asensemeyo n'abanyanyimbo begeta senigia sengera manga oika engendo ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital ebirero no mata nigo biene kigwa asechire yiga ya Getare imambe ya rero kubwatikana no gukwa kumubasukana okumungino yiga Agnes korengana ne amate yo musayo yiga okageire gwikirania obobobo nigo abwate omuchando bobongo asege kabono na babeire bagotwara eliomana liegenka na nyagosira musubati omwabo
ange 6:30 alina boka na minyoka gochasko ringo tiraga na ikirensa iga nanyora ankoi ane ka bwato moigo chumono ka gotama no ya betire ka kwena guchumenari ka korera ka bwatete iga ka goteba ngaga kyombitiro moyo
asege kabono ya mateyega nigo yaberege kubeka omukia asokorwalia omusao yo omuchando yo bobongo na gutwara ebikaro byo kumanya kolende nigo konye bataranyora machibwa ndonsi
nyokiri mara manga tari rero nyo matuka manga ngo ande ngotora ni ragine rero baranga elio gia tingi koigurio gi mapemo ganga na gakomoko mono mumuro iyo mutu etori moronge kera bukire tigo konyora kubu na wanarite guchonya go kera nyorunde bwensi na gori kominyokani nere lakini mono mnanyoriro yo mnara ikire mnakurire kun mwinari akoroyo bagochakana nere mbio bacha kurwana nere seyo
oyore omugambi we location ya Getare Charles Soigoro nigo nanya bo aenekia egekorekyo na koenekia buna nigo omukagero yoba mubekire byara na gochakia obotuki bene asebo igo aboria chiamate kogayana emechando yechinyomba na tali goitana
oyo mubeto mu Universe abana injimba ko kumubwata ba mwira Kisii Central Police Station arangirie basigari kurumanga sub county yetu bachire mubirengo yera tore Kisii teaching and referral hospital naro kwa nego chisa bantu baitu bagitalega ige market Chinsa mochose Gusii tengi manga tigatobe abantu tokoremererania ege kugerakera ngana lindirio sia bere gusomusoso we family abantu no bagochama bakwa
omobere onyagosira nigo otoererete asengendu ya KTRH no mukagerwa nigo arachigo kolerwa oboringoria bobongo na goikigwa busi bwekegambero. Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Miyamono omuricho ito Frida Kerubo yubono nengana yogo ichania ekerato kurwengora gochiase amate yomungna Agnes Kerubo togotikana nayo nigo abawaziri ase serikali ya county ya Kisii litkolia lero baba gotianwa bene erigo chaka obokoreri ase abananchi okwana ase omuyega bwo gotianwa kwa abawaziri abo mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nigaba kirangambia mono nakubagania gochako bwatrana erigo ikirania obokoreri burubya ase omumenyi bwe county ya Kisii Murike itonde mo Stephen na ikirana asayo na gutwarganirira roboti urwa senchira y'ubwime.
Kianda gati y'abawaziri komi bachoretu na Paul Simbarati nigorere kemambi baitugune bunge ye county ya Kisii ne Chinsa cha marogoba gutiani gwoyo maso yomo gochaka obokoreri ase chiwizara batenenerete.
Do solemnly swear that I shall always, truly and diligently serve the people.
Shall diligently discharge any duties and perform any function in the said office.
In the office of the Executive Committee, Member of Lands, Fiscal Planning, Housing and Urban Development.
So help me God.
Nonye nabo Elietario musubati Beatrice monginore ngatenero bole mindietrine kamati ye bunge ye county ya Kisii asomo governor Simbarati asikama chibu ye bunge na kuruira yokwana nelietalinde kolibali bagali ya Beatrice.
Sisi mmoja ambaye vitu zake hazikuenda mzuri. The honorable members waliuliza kuwa fair upatie huyo sisi kule alitoka na huyu mwanamke.
Assembly ya Sancheni, ndugu zangu na dada zangu, kwa kazi nzuri mlioifanya. Mmefanya kwa sababu hata kudrop mtu wangu mmoja sijasikia mbaya. Nimesema kwamba it's in your wisdom. You have done it and I have accepted. Kwa hivyo nitachukua hiyo na roho moja tu na tutafanya kazi pamoja.
Aba MCA nigo bagani obokoreri oboikera nukorwa asaba waziri batiani gwa kwene kingo ikeli bale chira baruete asaba menyi bechu ward ye 45 bakora.
For us as the leaders of Kisii County, in support with the governor, we are going to give you the necessary support you need in terms of legislation and in terms of oversight to make sure that you deliver the mandate that you have been given.
Simba arati nago kerogo cyane gukwa bakonyi baye ase chiwizara ase kolenda abatebya buna obokoreri bwabo na burarigeri gumono ase Chinsemo bakora.
This team comprising talented, diverse and experienced leaders. I wish to congratulate you all. Roads, the gentleman who has been given roads. I know that's where the symphony point of the county money. Agriculture. Yeah? That's another route. We will seal those routes.
Chinga kie chiecho arati na oro kebirengeri byo kubabekange abakorari barenga se serikali ya James Ongwae abwo bamoikiranga matuka bwango iga buna Patrick Lumumba.
This gentleman, despite the fact that he worked in the past regime, with the tour, is a hard work. I was considering to have him in my system. Is a hard work, that's for sure. It's a good team. My brother, you'll be with me around.
Magega yaba waziri be county gotianigwa ekikera bwatino kolingoli gukwa aba chief officer imeche wizara au chie county ya Kisii.
Kwa hayo mengi nashukuru na maulana ni mengi. ya kuku ni mayai. Asanteni.
Kuripoteri ya Ndizi TV kurwa segeti kia Gusii Stadium kigotoka sebunge Nyaribari chache county ya Kisii. Elietariane Ndemo Steven.
Mbia mano Ndemo Stephen ase oroboti ururu ikiranu na korwa se county ya Nyamira nigo ekine kikegetwe bose kigambero no yorenge kurye kirogo kyo bumire pimeye county ya Nyamira Emily Matoke yo kwamereryo bubibwa ejerusha mumanyo ibo ore omuimire pe county yo nigo kegenderete gotegererwa ase kigambero kya Nyamira nigo aba saiti bagenderete korwa ebirenge gosobo saiti bwabo ase kinekyo gyaswa ritkuria kabere na tukumanyi wano murike itkorwa se county ya Nyamira job manki
nigo ekinagyo kwamereria obobwibo muteneneri bwabangi na jerusha mumanyi kegendete gotegererwa aserero gyategererwa serituko lya kabere rie wiki eye.
At page 144 of the petition, there is a certificate of the recording under section 106B of the Evidence Act.
Asebiroli bagendete korwa obosaiti bwabona kolingoli gunaba wakili kiroli omutanganigo ikigwa bosibweke gambero noyo korokwa Edwin Okari asatene nigwa korwa obosaidi bwaye asengencho alenge egati ababisabe kyombekia obocholi nechimbebe IEBC Chinsa motia nyansyongo.
I would say this is the first time seeing an official of the commission stand to testify against the employer.
Steward Oyugi na sebabuna kurancha bwate obwasioku ekyoge kairira abagenti ba Emily Nyagarama mbabegeti essay chi form cha 39B asebituo binde.
During the tallying exercise, it happened that the presiding officer used wrong sums from Ekerenyo polling station tallies, and the agents who are aligned to one Dr. Ndizi Matoke were rejected.
Geoffrey Musinga oyorenge egati abagenti bomoseli naru obusaiti bwaye asate ababuna nige gati abarai abanene ase serikali baturuba netichikura.
Sema hapo na mtu angependa apigiwe kura.
Ndio sababu kulikuwa na mheshimiwa mwingine Jerusha pia alikuwa huko.
Omonachi ekina kanye kimondo nasiekira egati obosaiti bonde isiko asengencho nigo bwarwe gwabonyolire.
The upshot of my deliberations being that the application to introduce the flash drive by PW14 is disallowed. For the avoidance of doubt, however, the oral testimony by this witness stands, and secondly, the other parts of his affidavit that make no reference to the impugned flash drive also stand.
Ruase County ya Nyamira, Ginko reporteri ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Mbia mano murikeito job mangi asoroboti ururu ikiranu korwa se county ya Nyamira okorwa maki no komiwa kwa basbati na kwanene kwarorokanire koirira basbati abange gutanyora mabaga ase oburai Lusvera Abugari no yomubwa bale baligetie kirogo kyobumire pimeye county ya Kisii oyoba igo oromurikibwe kyombe kyanati ase orosaya rwagucha asabaka gusanga no murikeito Brighton Makori na kwerera mange igoro yo gutanyora mabaga ase oburai anena sabasbati.
Kire myaka 5 niga abakenya bagasoka na wakachukura iriko bachora abarayi bande barabara ase myaka 5 bunere botambe niga abarayi bagasoka iriko semeria bunangonyora barachukura kurenda sabande batari kuchinyora egetase ni Ndizi TV ntwaga nikumanya ningianene gekoirira abande mbakonyora chikurecho ekerutanyora na Lusfera abwali oyoride kerokyo bogurumire pase county ya Kisii
chibesa echiale kuchenjia makoko wariko nyora bato kuchwake bakuchwaka chikura ebakoe kuchibesa bona yoli utabwati besa mbali ko tegerera
ukugorwa kwa bali baguchotenera chikura na kero kibwari nate abuna na kiekoirira abande mbakonyora chikura echo
bachende baito bare kogenda ebituo bakonyora bari bakuruchi besa babagura
okorusi abakichigura korwa sensemende gochase yende nero nateba buna kigetango gyokogera abande mbakonyora obubui
abakichigure bagore tu bare kurusi gusiko nabonora nyanda bakurusi ku Nairobi barusi kamega ko Eldoret bacha gwaka chikura Kisii County bone kera baikire gaiga mbakomanyeti bone bagwakera omonto chikura anya no mugaba no bagorete bagerera inapu yo mugaba no oyo bagorete na inche narenge line up na bange tu arenge totarenge line up
bunero mosubati nate abuna ogotatwara chibara ase county ya Kisii nero njeirete gotaikera abantu atagete goikera
mumanyete gusiga imbura bunegotu goika yarenge ya tuchigari jasinyoeta kwanyora nya gari teri goeta ko kuimukie bigibigi ya koyeria muskobono gwasinyo goikera abantu
bwari niganyarira komojia abasaja anene kero bakomiga basubati ekero batangasire ko liye birogo
abasaja mbali ko tutiga ntubuna bakungu tu ligiri birogo byito ntutweka na barabu akonyora bakoligero kiabagi ekiagara buna bono okware konyora umusaja akoliyo bogabana osakoliyo boseneto manya ko tenota yabanga inche mako ngo bogabana mongera mukungu gete
kurinde nonye bwari onyarete gakobu jigura cyo mwaka oyo iga ni gateruna na nyarete kagwe somia amange
inche buno monto na beta connected nimbwata bona chinet gwaki ntabwate there before namba ibere ni manya na manyira abantu ntamanyete namba Isato NCCK nagenderete ko tokorera civic education nagenderete ko work 9 nagenderete ko toaji network nagenderete ko toaji program to kunya ko on the ground egere tuwe familia raisi na abantu ekaratu ko ko boli chikura naende banyora abantu maybe batato manyete bato manyete
nigabori ababunge ko chikobeka lichiko lirira tange bali bagochukurwa maki iliko ligi chikura
serikali yali ko chwanja members of parliament ikiakara no nyambarabu iko bali kuruchi besa bakamanya gwake ruchiko bali ko chwanja bara osiri chiko ligo tanga abantu ondu bwensi okoruchi besa kana chibesa kurwa magwa kiruchikura atangu
ni gatogiri ekiombe kia National Council of Churches of Kenya asogosira basubati asokoligie birogo
ombe kia NCCK ekikere kiombe gie chikanisa ngia toletete gigatosomia andekere gia tosomi togatuma iskaria togende tokore chikura chio morembe n'ubwanchani ekyo ntu akenyorete ekiagera segiterwane chikura mbuya chiakoretu ande mbuya tua transit
goripoteri getaseni Candice TV ederiane Brighton Makori
Biamono Brighton Makori ase oroboti ururu ikiranu abakori emirimo abachenu anene baliberwete okora emirimo ase binyoro nigo bagenderete no murobero bwoko enekia bunango kora bari umuchando bwechinda oyogenderete ko bakabanta banke ase chinsemo au itikolia lero niga abakori emirimo abo beso kiana wikirana ase nsemo ya bitukabi yo tokase wodia nyatieko imeye bunge ya kitutu chache South County ya Kisii na korwa obokonyi bugosibya bantu chinda na bego kubabekera eriogo nabona nigo bagarire serikali ya county ya Kisii goswagati na kubakonya gose kubasira erio kogendereria omurobiro yobya muri kyeto Mildred Momanyi na manke
omochando bwechinda nigo ogenderete koba egetango anene muno ase chifamilia chiri chitali kwenyara iyo ekoirera abana bange gusinyo kogenda ase chiskuru kubwatekana na makongwa mange akoretwa nechinda ekiombe gia community workers kurwa eward ya nyatieko ase ebunge ya kitutu chache South nigo besokia iliogokonya gosibia abana kurwe familia eyemo iyo ere ase ensemo ye kenyoro kia bitukabi iliogokora omochando bwechinda ase babwata yaiga
wate campaign lero twaranga nto cha gukira nyumba senge abana aba ne familia egwata bakungwechinda nagitwaranga lero nabanyagitali baito kururanda na ne kurwa kera dispensary twaikazo bwango aso correspond se problem weiga egere to bakonya
nabwata abana bakabake batakeiro burendi obuya basibigwe enyombe omwe egere ndo gusabana bakine biya bagende chisukuru
tuise ko batokorigereria na botorasiri nono bogimese abantu baita sekenyo
Joseph Omwenga uyokonyeka gwetera omoroberio yo amone familia yaye nigo agokera egetambo kerekyo ase akangambu yamono asagania obokonyi kurwase abasamaria abaya
agokiwa so munyakitali mukamuzi okonya abana
Ezingine tunataka kukonya nyumba yomo.
Ekiombe keigani gukirengete gukura omuchando yoiga ase gwikira bono igakorengana barubo batiga irichinga ikomichoka kurwa chinga chimia ibere.
To target around 10 households chitigarete ase ward engima. To chikole gara after kera tu anstake exercise yake cha ngombe charenge 200. To achiminyokirie boniga to tigarete chinyomba 10 households. Wono intwe twaranga ka tuganye county eche echako gotokonya abana banokonya abaumire so tora tiaturara kore tiaturara cha turara bakonya kwanza egere chinda nchiba sako ba affect
ase chinga kecho nigo bagania eserikali ye county ko banyora na kubamenta chinguru elio gukora omochando yoiga
ko ni waito wochi ase serikali nkolinge tomenta chinguru elinde tonyare kurwania amangana yayiga yechinda na emeroberio nde nero imenge turanyare gosoa tubwaterane gusiria
bakonye ensemo ye program yechinda mono kiagera abantu bale bebisete boniga tutageretia aba baro barwarte bo bate problem yechinda lakini yakonyegera barorira abantu bunento abanyitari bagotama so we are targeting nona senyega gitari jeto buna iranda level 5 hospital kieteriachi batori organize buna community workers kire twaretira abantu buna aba tibako bachachi mbaba chachi pesa baba tendi buya ba egere ba muchando yokoreki oere
omochando bwechinda nigo beire guchanda abantu abange anene mono kurugaiga ase bunge ya Kitutu chache South ase ritukolia lere kiombe kemogio gokonya abantu kiabeirege gwesokia eliokonya bali bachandigete no muchando yiga ase babire ko babako basibia eliokenya omochando yo bwechinda gingo reporter ya Getaseni kya Ndizi TV kurugaiga e constituency ya Kitutu chache South elietaliane Mildred Momanyi
Mia mono muriketo Mildred Momanyi ase oroboti ururikano korwa ase county ya Kisii togotikana nayo nigo murayo mukoro wense ya Kenya Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta asabire byombe au ime yense ya DRC go chamo na koraryo murembe chinga kichonsi Uhuru oyiboigo oro mwarigane wekiombe kya EAC niga ya kwa naya chinga ki batwara ege ikaro kyo muroberi obukoraryo boko kwanire goryo murembe asense mo ya Kinshasa ime ye ense yo ya DRC.
We have not come here with any particular mindset to dictate what should happen, but rather in the spirit of our understanding and the mandate that has been given to us. We came here to listen to the people of the Congo, and we're looking forward, and the message that we have today is that all groups who currently bear arms should lay those arms down and choose the path of peace through dialogue, because there is nothing that can be gained through the barrel of a gun. The people want peace. The people are tired of war. Many thousands have died, and many more have been internally displaced and unable to conduct their regular activities.
Ekigambere kenene nigo giatenenia kunengi wa kwa bariki babutambe ase chiwizara au aigwika ekine kyo kyabetege kubekwa ne kiombe kya LSK kyabere kego tegererwa nabo igo kunachwa nanya nabo nigo abanyakerugo abatenerete chikamati charinge kunenkia abariki abo baba bakwene kyabuna umuroberio inigo genderera asenge nchokonyora tibaranyoro roboti kurwase ekigambero.
You know, our investment and our engagement in DRC is not unilateral. It is pursuant to head of states agreement and resolution to the East African countries to engage in DRC. So we are not doing it unilaterally. The countries agreed, the head of states agreeing. So the commander-in-chief in our country is doing what he is doing is in pursuant to that agreement. But nevertheless, The other countries are already engaged. In fact, South Sudan, I think, is already engaged. Burundi is already engaged. Rwanda is already engaged on their side of the boundary. Uganda as well. The only country that is not as engaged as we speak, and I'm sure they would, and that is within their domestic discussion, is Tanzania. So it's not a unilateral decision. It is a shared responsibility within the East Africa, and we're just doing what we agreed to do. And as I said, the DRC question, the decision we made and took as a country is the right one.
On the situation of migrant workers, Kenyans who are working in other countries, particularly Saudi Arabia. I think number one, what we will do differently, or rather, if I may characterize the problem, it is my understanding that part of the problem actually starts here. It starts with the way in which they are sourced, the way in which they are processed, the terms in which they are employed, amongst others.
Umugavana w'e county ya Lamu Isatimami nero chorirwe koba umurai w'e kyama National Congress iriko iraribagari yaye uyo kabera umurai w'e kyame kyo Musalia Mudavadi uyo bakago chorwa buna omu cabinet secretary ase serikali yaye Dr. William Samoei Ruto okwana chinga kyechoni go ababwatani kurwase kyama kya ANC batona nigo barachi kubwaterana na Timami iryo kurwa bakorero byana ko enekia buna obutingu bwabere bako eneki wase kyame kyo kya ANC.
The political space and the political market will be more friendly and fertile for ANC to thrive.
Amani National Congress is there to stay. It will never fall. So all parties expect us will be competitive in the political world going forward.
We'll soon be meeting all the party leadership. We shall soon go for a retreat where we shall analyze what happened, what went wrong, why we performed poorly. At the same time, we shall come up with a 5-year strategic plan leading to the 2027 elections.
Abaraya barabwatani bekyama kya UDA kurwase county ya Kericho nigo batugute irare amariganyo gose amaoncherero ayoganire gokorekana ase county assembly ya Kericho emagega yo monogeri we county assembly yo Dr. Patrick Mutai koraria okorusiwa ko muraibu abangase bunke Aaron Rotich na omo chief whip.
The UDA party sent clarification on the matter beforehand and confirmed that the changes made by the speaker were illegal and therefore null and void. He should have waited until I come so that if there is an election, let it be done publicly by the members and signed properly.
This thing was well choreographed, and we might need also to intervene from the other quarters that who are these people who signed, because we've been requesting to see those whom they are saying they signed, but we are not provided.
This is a house of rules and regulations, but what we've seen the past few weeks with the guidelines or with the guidance of the speaker is not the right way that we expect as assembly to run.
Abarubi bechinswe asensemo ya Ogali meye county ya Kisumu nigo bagendrete kubara sarenene kubwatikana nugu kokomboskano wechinswe asenyancha ya Lake Victoria nabono nigo kwa baire barabwoko nya chinswe echo eriyo gotiga kogendera kubara sarenene.
Mimi nilikuwa na cages 4, kila moja ilikuwa na samaki 6,000, lakini 2 ilikuwa ready yenye nilikuwa nitoe mwezi ujao. Idadi ya pesa yenye nimepoteza kwa hizo cages 2 ni kama 1.5 million.
If you notice, the gills are pale yellow and they have some mucus. That fish is not is compromised, has a compromised quality. That's number one. but non-compromised quality is where the fish is pale red. You will go ahead to remove the visceral material, intestines, you remove the gills, and then you do what? You dissect the fish in the middle. So that such a kind of fish you can utilize.
Eke umbege tenerete okorwani uburoire bwa kansa imense ya Kenya ritkolya lero nigo baba kumirana nababwatani korwase Chinsemo au eriogo kwanira nabo igokoroberia igoro yomuroberio omonene bwa serikali igoro yoburoire bwa kansa uyorobeire gokorekana omutinyo kabere omwakogocha.
The investments that the government has done in the last 5 years in the cancer management space, we have seen a significant drop of clients who have been who had to visit other countries for care. Scan in Aga Khan and a PET scan in Kenyatta University General Hospital, molecular imaging technology at RTH, CyberKnife in KO. These are all investments that have gone a long way in improving the cancer treatment and management in this country.
And we do to ensure that we prevent cancer first. What is it? What research do we need to have to let us know that these are the things we need to do to prevent cancer? So we have academia, we have universities with us. We need to also find out if the cancer is not prevented, how.
Ekiombe ky'abanyagitari mense ya Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentist Union KMPDU rosagiarwa Rift Valley nigo baganiriye serikali enene kubwatirana ne serikali Church County kwene kyabuna ebintu bisaine amaryogo nabigo abanyagitari babeire bakubekwa se kinyagitari nigo bayakwana asege karo kiabo kyakero mwaka imwe cyo Eldoret asiboigo babakwerera manke ali abawetera ayakubairera barabugotayikirania obokoreri bwabo asenchire bwenerete.
Na tuko na zaidi ya madaktari 5,000 pale nje hawajapewa kazi. Hatutaki kusikia placement ya Cuban doctors. Na vile wametoa information kuhusu reli, hiyo memorandum of understanding ya reli, tunataka pia tujue daktari wa Cuba anapata pesa ngapi katika nchi. Na ile pesa ambayo daktari kutoka Cuba anapata inaweza ajiri madaktari wetu hapa wangapi?
On the ground, most of the healthcare facilities are severely dilapidated.
Kuna nia ambayo ni nia potovu sana ya ambayo inadhania ya kwamba madaktari wamekuwa wengi katika nchi hii. Madaktari hawatoshi, manifesto bora sana ambazo zilikuwa zinazungumzia mambo ya afya. Kwa hivyo tunataka tuone hizo manifesto zikipewa uzima katika serikali hii.
To all of us, the elected leaders, that now it is a time for us to look at health as a key docket in this country. Right now the ball is in your court. We can either break or make it.
Ababwatani korwase sector echo chikolegereria amangana auchumi yense nigo bakwana irigoro yomuroberio o Asla Fund oyorobeire gochakiwa etariki ya moyo mutinyo 12 omwakoyoiga nigo ebirengererio bigenderete korwewa igoro yomuroberio yo aseritkolya lero bago korekana ase county ya Kisumu county ya Kitui na waige county ya Nyeri.
In the spirit of bottom up, yule mama boga, yule kijana bodaboda ambaye tulikuwa tunaambiwa wakati wa siasa, huyo mtu kama atakopa pesa yoyote below 10,000, hiyo ilikuwa ni zero interest rate. So that just like the way we are taxed, anybody below this amount of money is exempted from tax, isn't it? Kwa hivyo huyu mwenye ako pale chini kwa ile kwa pyramid, wacha huyu akikopa 0 to 1 shilling to 10,000, zero interest rate. Tukienda from maybe 10,001 to 100,000, 4%. Wengine wako huko juu, wacha walipe hizo 9%, 9.9, we don't care. Sisi hapa chini tulipe 0.
Nikipata pesa leo na mwezi mwingine ninalipa, pengine haitakuwa imenisaidia, na kwa sababu tunatoka kwa hizi pesa kidogo ambazo tunapewa na wale wanatukopesha kupitia mitandao. Sasa unakuta unapewa mwezi huu mwingine unalipa. Kwa hivyo ningetaka hiyo mambo ya grace period.
Enyumba yechigoroba isano na ibere eyo yagenderete kwagachwa sensemo ya seasons meya Kasarani omucho Nairobi nigo yabage kogwa emambya ya rero abantu abanke nigo bakageire kubwatiraniwa ase omubasukano oyo ase omuroberi obwoko batoria ogenderete n'abantu bali abatenerete amangana yemebasukano. Wikiraga igabano mwancho murigereri nongo korera Amayia Chinsa Isato asenchera ere yo wikiranu kuwakira ngambia mono asogochora kobana inche gwikomoerio na mbia mono asogochora kubwati emiroberi yegetaseni kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo Gusii bali monsto bato kubwatirana kwene kya mangana wikira senchera ere yo wikiranu ni gonko bakira ngambia mono kukaneria oburigereri boro byekera ngo kwenyere buna nabo kogendera gotonyora sensemeria ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube ni gora tonyora wetira Ndizi TV News aso mutanda Twitter na bogo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website yaito ni gora tonyora wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendere gogosemia na boigo gukumanya manke go wakabaire na inche Evelyn Osero urutwa kubatana nere kwene kya wikira sensemo imanyerero ni gakoro kwa Joshua Uta na boigerio gine chibichani go twarengenere Petronira Mukeira dokwanerio burigereri borobya na boigo obutko borobotoereru.